In this video, we are going to show you how to configure the mail and deploy visualization exporter for Qlik Sense. First, we will add the extension to our executive dashboard app. We can find it in Custom Objects in the Mail and Deploy section. Just drag and drop the extension into your dashboard. Now let's configure the extension. First, the connection, we will add the API service URL. Then comes the access key. It can be found in the Mail and Deploy user section. We open the API user and there in the Credentials tab, we can copy the API access key and add it to the Connection tab in our Qlik Sense app. In the Data Source section, we will choose from the drop-downs, the workspace and the data source. In this case, our data source is the executive dashboard. Next, we will configure which visualizations will be permitted to be exported. In our example, we will choose all visualizations. We will choose to distribute the visualization with an immediate download. The mashup option will be discussed in another video. In the Appearance section, you can change the button's background color as well as the text color. You can configure the messages in the language of your choice in the Localization section. Important, please fill in all the properties from this section. In the Conditions section, in the Show Condition property, you can define when the button should be shown or hidden. In this example, we are using the expression getSelectedCount with the field region. It will show the button if more than one region is selected. If you do not set an expression in this property, it will always show the button. The usage condition will furthermore give instructions to the user on how to use correctly the button. Furthermore, you can type in a usage condition title and a message. But it will work only if all the regions are selected. If fewer are selected, you will get a notification. Now we click Done Editing and go to our Qlik Sense app. We select a region and as soon as we have a valid selection, we can press the button Export. And our usage condition is also working, so we need to select more than 5 regions. Now we have a valid selection, we can press the button. We get a list of all the objects in the sheet. Here are the available formats. Now choose if you want the page to be landscape or portrait. If you select the whole sheet, it is only possible to export it as a graphic. Remember, we defined the labels in the Localization section. Then we click OK. As we are root admins in Mail and Deploy, we can see in the execution status what is going on. This is not available for a normal user. And finally, we have a PDF that contains the sheet. Now let's choose a pivot table. And now we can export it as a table. Again, we are curious, so we switch to see the execution status. This went very fast. Here we have now a PDF which contains a nicely formatted pivot table. And that's it. Thanks for watching.